Hey guys, welcome back to my YouTube channel. Today I'm making celery smoothie for weight loss. This is a natural remedy to help benefit weight loss. I'm gonna prep my celery sticks. Here we go. I'm now going to transfer all my celery into my bowl. All my prepped ingredients. I'm now going to transfer them all into my speed blender. First goes in my celery. Next goes in my ginger. After that goes in my cucumber. And finally my broccoli. I'm also going to add lots of water. I am now going to blend for 30 to 40 seconds. This is what my celery smoothie for weight loss looks like. I'm going to be serving it now. It smells so nice. This lovely, refreshing celery smoothie for weight loss is now ready. We are now come to the end of the video. Kindly like, share, comment, and please subscribe for more content like this. Thanks for watching. Bye guys.